Hello everyone, this is Percy number 6 here with my new Thomas Wooden Railway items. I can't believe it's 2022 and I'm saying that about Thomas Wooden Railway. Who would have thought it would come back? This is also my first new content on the channel in 2022. What a better combination, because I've got a little old Amazon box. I could tell you like the information about this, how this box came to be, but I know nobody cares. Bringing small businesses to more people like you. That's interesting. I didn't think this would be a small business purchase, but okay. I'm opening it off camera because now it's on camera. This one has bubbles, a little surprise. I've got a few items in here. I did not bring scissors. I feel like I should have brought scissors. So we're going to end up having to pause this video, but that's okay. So here, we'll start off with the number 1 Blue Engine Thomas. Alright, I've got scissors now. We are all ready to go. Let's look at this box. It's so, it's one thing to see it online. It's another to see it in person. The slide, very nice slide. Feel like I'm watching Chris Collinsworth come on to Sunday Night Football with that slide open. Oh man, I love that. I feel like I don't want to do it, but I feel like it wouldn't take much to pull this out all the way, and that wouldn't be ideal. So I think I've seen people. I've watched a few unboxings of these. I'm gonna try, hopefully, if this doesn't go well on camera, we're gonna do this off camera after Thomas. Okay, yeah, maybe I should just I'm gonna do this off cam. Nope, I'm already dedicated, but we're definitely doing off camera with the future ones. Kinda damaged the box, hate to see it. So here we go, we are actually gonna push him in the reverse. Here he is, Thomas, number 1 Blue Engine, who's still hard to get out of the box. Come on. Ay. We're gonna do this off camera. Give me a second. So we got him out of the box now. And here's first, this is Thomas. And before we get to Thomas, and we'll move that to the side, look, a pamphlet. Oh my goodness, I absolutely love the pamphlets. We haven't had them in years. And, I saw this on Twitter, so I can't say like I'm as excited as I could be looking at it for the first time, but I mean, this is great. This is the first line. There's 10 options out there. I got 3 of them. We'll have to see who the other 2 are. And then here's like, I mean, it wouldn't take much to buy this. I mean, it's probably, what, under $500 to get the entire Wooden Railway line, which is crazy. It hasn't been like that ever. Literally ever. So here's Thomas. Oh man, I really like this. Like the coal, you can feel it. It's never been that way for Thomas. It's always been for the tender engines. But the face, I guess it's a good representation of what you see on TV now, but Oh, and then this, I saw this, that it goes up and down. I like it better when it was this way, you could read it, but whatever. I actually like the wheels. The wheels were probably the part I was worried about the most, but seeing them in person and seeing what other people have said about them, like, the wheels are actually pretty solid. And here's the Thomas from Mattel the last time, before they switched to wood, and other than, like, really the only thing I can say I prefer on the old Thomas is the face. This one's a little taller, as you can see, just looking at them side by side. But, oh my goodness. They connect well. Like, that was my worry, because I knew that this Thomas, and the new wood in general, will be a little taller than the old, so the fact they still connect well is good, but fantastic. Absolutely love this new Thomas. Okay, so Thomas to the side. We've got 2 more. Let's take out the one I'm sure you guys saw the second I showed the box. None other than, oh my goodness, is he big, Gordon. Oh man. Okay, so once again, oh man, it's a little damaged on the side. Like, what the heck? That's actually really dumb. So we'll do the Chris Collinsworth slide open. Oh my goodness, look at Gordon. Since it didn't go well last time I tried opening on camera, let me do it off camera again. So here he is, Gordon, and he really is the big blue engine here. I mean, you can't... This turntable in the past could turn on, but not anymore. Like, here's a old Gordon. I don't have the newest or last version before they switched to wood of Gordon, so we'll use the oldest one. And as you can kind of see, just kind of looking at them, like, Gordon here is a lot smaller than what it is in 2022, both the tender and the Gordon itself. I mean, we'll pause, look at the tenders for a second. Like, this tender is so much bigger, and you take the old Thomas, like, the tender's only a little bit smaller, which is crazy. And then these two, Gordon's just bigger and taller now in 2022, which I think is perfect. This Cole, I love the Cole as well. You know, just like with the Thomas, you have it up and down instead of sideways, which I do miss the sideways, but I'll take it. Like, this is a fantastic Gordon. I absolutely love it. Alright, here we go. Last but not least, of course, what's my channel name? Yeah, I had to get it. Here it is. I actually pre-opened this one a little bit, but here he is, Percy. I had to show this, though. I got to do the nice little Chris Collinsworth slide of Percy. Now, let me actually open him up and get him out, because, oh, the wiring. I really like the boxes, though. So let me get the wiring out, and then we can look at Percy. And here we go. Here is Percy. The face, I'd say of the three, is probably the worst. I hope they at least, like, eventually put new versions out of this. Like, that's the one hope. And Thomas has never really done that, other than with Thomas itself. Like, Wooden Railway's always stuck to one face per item, which is really annoying. Here's the new, or last new Percy that they did in the Wooden Railway line, which is, oh man, like, look, I think this especially, like, you can just see how much smaller this Percy is than that Percy. It makes sense. Like, I can't believe it's taken 30 years, but they finally gave us a small Percy. Like, I absolutely love this. Like, they did a really, really good job with these. Yeah, can't say enough good things about them. I'll probably do, like, an actual in-depth review about these guys sooner or later, but I wanted to at least start out by showing what I got. So here we go, my new Gordon, Thomas, and Percy, the 2022 Wooden Railway line. Thomas was the only one with a pamphlet, which I guess kind of makes sense. Like, if you're going to get one of these, it's definitely going to be Thomas, so why include pamphlets in the other? Like, I understand that logic, but man, really excited about these. Can't wait to see what they have in future lines. I know Edward, Henry are coming as well. There's Hero, as you saw, but so far it's been like a 6-ish engines. I think I've seen Diesel, Rosie, and James, at least in the United States. So excited for what they have. Like I said, I'll probably do an in-depth review about these in the future. But yeah, I'm really excited. Have you guys got it? I'd love to hear if you do. So if you can comment, please comment in the section. Leave a comment in the comment section. I'd love to hear if you have them, what you think. Fantastic. Such a turnaround from Wood, and I think the future is finally bright for Thomas Wooden Railway. Who would have thought in 2022 we'd be saying that? So, thank you all for watching. Until next time, this is Percy number 6. Have a wonderful day.